In this tutorial, we'll go through a few simple ways to unhide rows in Excel and make your data visible again. Earlier, we looked at how to hide rows. Now, let's see how to bring them back. Let's get started. It's usually easy to notice hidden rows. You can spot them by a double line between row numbers. Another clue is missing numbers. For example, row 9 appears right under row 5, which means rows 6, 7, and 8 are hidden. Let's unhide them. Select the row above and the row below the hidden rows. Right-click, then choose Unhide. The rows will show up again on the sheet, and they'll also be visible when you print. Let's undo that and try another method. Select the same rows again, go to the Home tab. Click Format. Choose Hide and Unhide, and then pick Unhide Rows. Done. To unhide every row in the sheet, click the box in the top left corner to select the whole sheet. Right-click, then choose Unhide, and all rows will be visible. Let's see how to use shortcut key method. Select the rows. Press Shift key plus Control key plus number 9. That's it. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.